Where to find the system haptics vibration settings, and this is the OnePlus 12R, also the same for the OnePlus 12. To get into these settings, use the quick panel access, tap on the settings gear icon right here, and from here now, you'll want to go down to where it says sounds and vibration. As you're now here, we're just gonna go down past all of this here, and we're going to the part that says haptics. So this is like a dedicated system vibration settings area where you have this master switch that's only going to apply for like touch interactions on certain feedbacks. So like for example, when you press the back key here, you're going to feel a vibration there. That's going to apply to that, the swiping, navigation gestures, and a few other more there. Okay, so turning it off from here will disable it. And if you turn it on, you can adjust the intensity of this vibration setting right here. Okay, it's up to you to come back here and make changes to these settings. Like and sub.